To tell you what AFL++ is, I would like to use the definition took directly from the official repository. AFL++ is a superior fork to Google AFL, more speed, more and better mutation, more and better instrumentation, custom model support, and more. So, AFL++, it's like AFL, but better. Now the question is, what is AFL? Let me read again the slide. AFL is a security-oriented fuzzer developed by Michael Zalewski at Google. AFL is designed to automatically discover vulnerabilities in software by generating random or semi-random inputs and feeding them into the program under test, observing the outcome and attempting to find input cases that causes crashes or unexpected behavior. Now, if we focus on the highlighted words, we see that there is nothing new compared to what we introduced in the previous section. AFL is automatic. AFL generates random or semi-random inputs. AFL tries to find crashes and unexpected behaviors. So, I would say that until now, it fits in the definition of a generic fuzzer. Comparing now the two tools, we can simply say that AFL++ is just an enhanced version of the original AFL. And without going too deep into the differences, I just want to add that this course is focused on, try to guess, AFL++. Please note that from now on, for simplicity, I will call the tool just AFL and the ++ part is implicit.